everyone, it's Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Pico's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is for the Open Collab #JournalJubilee. I'm hosting this collab along with 2 other channels. So the 3 channels hosting this collab are myself, Perry Pico's Vlogs, Jamie Leisman, and Pretty Designs and Thrifty Finds. And in this collab, we upload on Tuesdays and we share with you anything that is journal related. So you can share a junk journal, you can share a scrapbook, you can share a glue book, any kind of planner, anything that would be put together in a book. And we do aim to upload on Tuesdays, but of course, if you upload on a different day, that's okay as well. Just go ahead and let us know that you uploaded, and please use the #JournalJubilee, as well as put our 3 channel names in the title. Let me go ahead and share with you what I did this week for Journal Jubilee. I created a couple of spreads. They are all spring themed. So I went through and did my St. Patrick's Day theme, and now I'm going into spring, and then I'm going to go into Easter. So I did share one spread on Sticker Saturday. If you have not seen that video, it's #Sticker Saturday. Go ahead and check that out because I did a really cute spring spread, and I used some Dollar Tree stickers as well as some beautiful temu crafting paper and some stickers from Michael's. So yeah, so definitely if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and watch that one because I think that it's really, really cute. But so for spring, I wanted to go with some really nice pastels. And the other thing that I focused on this week was kind of using everyday items to build a spread around. I got a couple of comments from people that were saying that they wanted to do it, but they didn't really have what they needed to do it with. And that does happen. Like, it took me a long time to collect some of this stuff, but also you can do something very, very pretty and cool with just using everyday items. So this was from a box of masks that I got from the cream shop, and all that I did was basically just cut it up and use this because I love the little Eeyore and I love the colors, and I thought it was perfect for spring. Right here, I had some scrapbook paper, and almost all of these are Dollar Tree stickers. Some of these are even from a couple of years ago, but I believe that they do still carry them in the stores. The only thing that's not from Dollar Tree are these little bees right here. And those are from Michael's. And then I used some really cute washi tape to outline the page. So that's the first spread that I did. I actually did 3. The second one, again, I incorporated an everyday item and I just kind of built some stuff around it. So this is from Annie's Mac and Cheese. I thought this was really, really cute. And it kind of blended with spring. This was around some washi tape. So I just, kept that little container, kept that packaging because I thought it was super, super cute. And again, I used crafting paper. This is from Michael's. And the stickers are all from Dollar Tree. So very, very easy to find all of these everyday items. And these stickers as well are from Dollar Tree. Then I have some more washi tape right there. So that is a second spread. And the third is right here. I did not use everyday items here, but I just used little pieces of scrapbook paper as opposed to a full sheet. And again, I kind of just built the spread around the scraps of scrapbook paper, keeping it really, really simple, but very, very pretty, and all Dollar Tree stickers except for the bees, which are from Michael's, and then some washi tape. Washi tape is really, really cute. I think it's so adorable. So those are the 3 pages that I decorated for this week's edition of #JournalJubilee. I hope that you guys like what I created. And I hope that you got some ideas of how to incorporate some of your everyday items into your journals. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. And please put in that #JournalJubilee. Watch everyone else's videos and show them some love, as well as go to Jamie Leisman's channel and Pretty Designs and Thrifty Finds. Watch their Journal Jubilee videos and show them some love as well. And again, anyone is welcome to upload. This is an open collab. We would love to have you guys participate with us. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below, like this video, hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.